Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab In 5. So this week I'm going to be doing a quick Sephora haul. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my Sephora package, then keep on watching. Pretty much everything in this order is brand spanking new. We've got lots of new launches coming out. We had a bit of a lull there when it came to new launches, probably because of COVID, I'm assuming, but we're, I think, back on track. So I'm super excited to have this new stuff. First, we have something from MAC Cosmetics, and that is the new Magic Extension 5mm fiber mascara. Mascara that acts like lash extensions with 5mm long fibers that delivers the look of false lashes with over-the-top volume and exaggerated length. It's enriched with crystal elixir powder that intensifies the carbon black color and includes a tapered 5G brush that delivers exaggerated continuous volume and curl from roots to tips. Who doesn't want natural lashes that look like lash extensions? And I love MAC, so hopefully this is a success. We have another mascara, and it is from VELOUR, again, another new product, and it is the Pretty Big Deal Peptide and Tubing Mascara. So this is actually a 3-in-1. It's a lash serum, a lash shield, and a mascara. It's infused with a peptide-packed lash serum to achieve noticeably fuller, longer-looking lashes in just 4 weeks. So it's actually going to help your natural lashes look better, which again, who doesn't want that? It has a cocktail of nourishing peptides and high-performance ingredients to encase lashes in a luxurious, rare tubing formula that shields the lashes from environmental damage, has a feathery look that also blends seamlessly into false lashes. So I'm super pumped to try both of those mascaras. I love me a good mascara, so it's always good to have test some new ones. We have some products from Makeup by Mario. I'm so pumped. I didn't get anything from his first launch, but this I'm super pumped to test. So I got the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick, which is the contour stick. So this is a dual-ended cream shaping stick that is buildable, swipes on seamlessly for true to skin definition that dries down to a natural matte finish. So again, it's just supposed to be a seamless, blendable, buildable, beautiful cream contour stick. And if you know me and you've watched my channel, you know, as I've played with makeup over the last 1.5 years of doing my channel here, I have fallen in love with everything cream. Cream contour, cream blush, even some cream and liquid highlight. So this is the brush here. It's very interesting. It has these little like dots on it. So I'm curious to see what that's gonna do. I like the idea that it comes with a brush. I think it gives it more value, but the goods are in here. Oh, I was gonna swatch this when I got this package, this and the blush, but I was like, you know what? It looks so satisfying, I'm not going to. So I did get it in the shade Light. Let's give it a swatch. This is the actual shade. It doesn't look like it's gonna be ashy, but it's not like orangey. Ooh, that looks beautiful. I'm so pumped. Then I got the Soft Pop blush stick as well. The brush is the exact same on the other end. The blush, again, dual-ended. It offers sheer but buildable coverage with a dewy finish and a moisturizing formula, ideal for all skin types, easy to use, adds a healthy flush of color to the cheeks, leaving skin looking naturally radiant with no oily sensation, which is good for us oily combo skin types. I got the shade Pale Petal, which is like a soft pink, and ooh, it does definitely have a more dewy finish. You see how it has a bit of more of a sheen than the bronzer. And I absolutely love the packaging of this. So simple, yet so different, and oh, I would love it. We have the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. This is a under eye brightener that hydrates, brightens, conceals with a sheer buildable coverage, delivering no makeup effect and in a longer formula. It's supposed to be a very natural concealer, like a little bit less coverage, but very brightening under the eye. So I'm really excited to test this. This is the actual like applicator. It comes with this little plastic ball. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna apply it. I'm really interested in this. And with summer months coming and just kind of I'm a little bit more interested in the more natural look, so I'm really pumped to be testing this. Again, a lot of these products will have a video on them very soon. This one I got in the mini, and the reason being I'm not joking you, I have way too many foundations, and I just got and tested a ton in the last 6 months. So I got the mini because I just wanted to try it first. It's one I was a little bit hesitant to get, so I thought let's get the mini tested out, and if I fall in love with it, I can always buy the full size next time. So this is the Tarte C HYDROFLEX Serum Foundation, serum infused foundation that flexes with your skin to cover imperfections, hydrate, and promote bare skin. Feather light, medium coverage with a natural finish that looks and feels like your skin. It has a super serum complex to brighten, smooth, hydrate for up to 12 hours. It moves with your skin so it never cakes or creases, easily covers imperfections, minimizes the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. So everything about that sounds great. The reason being I was a little bit hesitant was because it is more light coverage, and I do like good coverage because I'm acne prone, so I just wanted to test it first. In the Fenty, I got the shade Seashell. In the Tarte, I got the shade 12N. Feels extremely thin and lightweight. That looks like it's gonna feel really, really natural. These two would actually pair really well together. Next product is the Natasha Denona Puff Paint Liquid Blush Serum. With perfect pigmentation to achieve natural flush of color formulated with skincare infusion technology, has a lightweight, easy to apply buildable formula, nourishing, moisturizing, but also give you that beautiful flush of color. I got it in the shade Daria. It comes in 3 of their most popular shades. Ooh. It's very, very thin. It does have that like more liquidy consistency, and look, it does look like it's gonna blend out. I'm super pumped. This one, I was like, no brainer, I have to try that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Next product's from Dior. It is newer, and it is the Rouge Dior Forever Liquid Transfer Proof Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's ultra pigmented with 12-hour weightless long wear. So it's not supposed to settle into lip lines, fade, smudge, or feather. It's ultra lightweight. I got it in the shade Forever Nude. Stunning. It's right here. It does look like an extremely thin formula, which is really, really, really important to me. I don't like thick, goopy, uncomfortable. Like the lighter it is, the thinner it is, the better. That's why I love the YSL ones. But the YSL ones are not transfer proof, and they're not like the most long wearing, but I just love them so much because they are so thin, and they do kind of stain the lips a bit. So I'm curious to see if this actually wears well, but also if it's transfer proof, because that's another thing that is really, really important to me. If there's a liquid lipstick out there that could be completely transfer proof, not drying, and super thin, I would be in love. I haven't found it yet, so maybe this will be it. Last but definitely not least is the new Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette, the Major Dimension versatile eyeshadow palette that contains 2 luminous cream bases, velvety matte and iridescent metallic eyeshadows, and glistening pearl toppers. I'll most definitely be doing videos on pretty much all of these products, whether being dedicated or in a group testing new products video. Stunning packaging. This is the actual palette. It's hard to see the Patrick Ta stuff because it's so shiny. I'll take a picture of it and pop it up here. It's just so stunning from looking at it. It has a beautiful mixture of textures. I'm really pumped to try out these cream bases, and I love the color story of it. I'm super pumped. So that is everything in my package today. I have some like samples and stuff. Like I used some of my points to get this self-care Briogeo Scalp Revival kit. The One Size Secure the Blur Magnet Primer. I got like the bigger sample size, so I'm excited to test that. But yeah, that's everything in today's Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely stay tuned for all of these products to be reviewed here on my channel. Subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. I apologize if this wasn't 5 minutes. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to get this out like ASAP because I was super pumped. I literally got the package today and I'm already filming because I was so excited. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.